Justin Baldoni's suit against Blake Lively just got dismissed by the judge.
Judge dismisses Justin Baldoni's $400 million defamation lawsuit against Blake Lively.
A federal judge has dismissed Justin Baldoni's $400 million countersuit against former co-star Blake Lively.
Justin Baldoni has suffered a major blow in his high-stakes court drama with It Ends With Us co-star Blake Lively and her husband, actor Ryan Reynolds.
Judge has dismissed Justin Baldoni's $400 million lawsuit against Hollywood power couple Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds.
U.S. District Judge Judge Liman dismissed the bulk of Justin and his production company, Wayfarer Studios' $400 million suit, which accused Blake, Ryan, and others of defamation and extortion.
Baldoni accused the group of extorting and defaming him, but the judge says he failed to prove those allegations.
The judge also threw out Justin's separate $250 million defamation suit against the New York Times, which had reported on Blake's initial claims.
The judge also dismissed Baldoni's $250 million defamation lawsuit against the New York Times.
While Judge Liman allowed Justin the opportunity to amend and refile two of his claims by June 23, 2025, the sweeping dismissal marks a significant win for Blake and Ryan, who had long dismissed the suit as baseless. In his ruling, Judge Liman emphasized that the only statements attributed to Blake were part of her official complaint to the California Civil Rights Department, communications that are protected and privileged. Blake made headlines in December 2024 when she filed a complaint accusing Justin of mistreatment on the set of the film, which he also directed. She claimed Justin created a hostile work environment and retaliated against her by orchestrating a smear campaign after she spoke out. The allegations shook the entertainment industry and quickly became a topic of intense public interest. Justin, in turn, denied all allegations and launched a countersuit against Blake, Ryan, publicist Leslie Sloan, and the New York Times. He alleged the group conspired to ruin his reputation and career, seeking hundreds of millions of dollars in damages. However, Judge Liman determined that the suit failed to meet key standards required for a successful defamation case. The Wayfarer parties have not alleged that Ryan, Sloan, or the Times would have seriously doubted these statements were true based on the information available to them, as is required for them to be liable for defamation under applicable law, the judge wrote. Blake's team, Ezra Hudson and Mike Gottlieb, celebrated the decision in a strongly worded statement, calling the dismissal a total victory and a complete vindication for the actress and the other defendants. This $400 million suit was a sham, and the court saw right through it, they said. The New York Times, which published a widely circulated article detailing Blake's allegations and the fallout that followed, also applauded the ruling. A spokesperson for the paper said the suit was a meritless attempt to stifle honest reporting and praised the court for protecting the work of journalists who covered carefully and fairly a story of public importance. The court's decision also comes shortly after a major development that further weakened Justin's case. James Vituska, a journalist whose statements had been included in Justin's suit to support his claims of a smear campaign, retracted a key assertion. In a signed declaration filed, Vituska clarified that publicist Leslie Sloan never told him that Blake had been mistreated by Justin, a crucial detail in Justin's argument. In those text messages, my use of the phrase was a mistake, Vituska admitted. This phrase was not in reference to any conversation that I had with Leslie Sloan. I regret this error. Adding to the drama, Blake moved to withdraw her claims of intentional and negligent infliction of emotional distress after Justin's team attempted to obtain her medical records. Her attorneys called the move a routine part of the litigation process, but accused Justin's side of turning the maneuver into a publicity stunt. The conflict, already one of the most high-profile entertainment suits in recent memory, has been packed with twists, media scrutiny, and high-stakes reputational damage for both sides. With the trial set to begin in March 2026, the drama is far from over, though the ruling dramatically shifts the momentum in Blake and Ryan's favor. Despite the setback, Justin still has the option to refile parts of his complaint. However, experts suggest that the judge's detailed and scathing dismissal signals an uphill climb if Justin hopes to revive his claims. At the heart of the case remains Blake's serious and public accusations of and retaliation. Charges that Justin continues to deny, but which have already left a significant impact on his public image and career. As both parties prepare for a lengthy journey, the entertainment world will be watching closely.